amazing artist. I told you that after I read the story, Every Color, that I would have an activity for you to go along with it that taught you a little bit about monochromatic landscapes. Let's check it out. Now remember, a monochromatic color palette is created by making variations of the same hue. By adding white to create tints or adding black to create shades, you're getting variations of the same color or hue. We're going to use this concept to create our landscapes. The first thing you'll need to do is to pick what landscape you're going to do. I'm going to do a series of hills with a fence in the foreground. The next thing would be to pick your monochromatic colors. Remember, you're starting with a hue, and then you're thinking about what would happen if you added white to it to create tints, and if you added black to it to create shades. As you can see, I'm starting with the darkest shade that I have and working towards the lightest tint. By using these colors, I'm creating the illusion of atmospheric perspective within my composition. Atmospheric perspective is the effect that the atmosphere has on the appearance of an object from a distance. You can see through these two photographs what that looks like. You'll notice in the second example I chose to do a silhouette of a tree and a hill in the foreground. I also chose a different set of colors to show and illustrate the change between the tints and the shades. In addition to choosing the different color scheme in this example, I also used a different technique. You'll see that I wanted to create the illusion of the moon in the middle, so I colored out from the center in a circular pattern using my different shades and tints as I went. I hope you enjoyed that quick video, and I can't wait to check out your monochromatic landscapes. If you'd like to share them with me, don't forget you can do that through my Google Classroom, through GJM Ospreys in the Art Room on Facebook, or you can email me at aespert@lehsd.org. Okay, Ospreys, stay healthy, stay happy, and always remember, you're amazing.